Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So here we are in the UCF area. We've got a reserve Quint 67, sorry, has responded to the UCF area. This is their kind of their food area. Off to the right is the arena. UCF PD is also on scene. It is a fire alarm call. So UCF PD is there. And then there's, I believe it's in the books, or the Barnes & Noble store, or it could be in the Amazon store there. I don't think it's in the Burger U. Firefighters are inside. You can hear the alarms going off there. So no smoke. As you guys see, there's no smoke in the area. But just a routine call, basically. Probably dust getting into the sensors and will cause the alarm to go off. That's happened to me numerous times. I've responded to numerous calls when I was a firefighter. Actually in a community college, the dust would get into the vents and cause the alarms to go off. So after about the 5th or 6th time, I think they were tired of it because you start getting fined. And they finally got them cleaned, and we weren't responding every other night. So there's again reserve Quint 7, and I did a walk around on that, so you look out for that video. Pretty cool. That's a very old engine there. So I did a walk around for you guys that enjoyed seeing old equipment like that. Older, I guess I should say, not old. So again, it's a fire alarm in the UCF area. UCF is out, they're done. I do believe there's probably some summer school going on, but as far as regular semester, it's done and over. Even I think just about all the graduations are done. They do at the arena. So hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Sorry, there's not much on this one. There's no live action on this one, but again, pretty cool. I wanted to show you guys this old Quint here. And then UCF PD sitting down there. Like, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.